What are the ethical considerations of remote law? When we think about remote law, we often wonder about the ethical considerations that come into play. As lawyers adapt to working from home or other locations, they must maintain the same professional standards as in traditional settings. Let's break down some key ethical duties that lawyers need to keep in mind while practicing remotely. First, competence is essential. Lawyers must have the legal knowledge and technological skills necessary to representing clients effectively. This means understanding how to use secure communication tools and technology to protect client interests. It is also important for lawyers to maintain their mental, emotional, and physical well-being to perform their duties without impairment. Next, confidentiality is a top priority. Protecting client information is critical, especially when working remotely. Lawyers should take reasonable steps to prevent unauthorized disclosure of confidential information. This includes using encrypted communication tools and secure networks. Additionally, they must ensure that their remote work environments do not expose client information to unauthorized individuals. Communication is another vital aspect. Lawyers must maintain prompt and clear communication with their clients, ensuring they can be reached easily. All communications should be documented properly. Remote work should not lessen the lawyer's duty to keep clients informed and respond to their inquiries in a timely manner. Supervision is also important, especially when managing junior lawyers or non-lawyer staff remotely. Lawyers must make reasonable efforts to ensure that their team complies with ethical rules. This includes monitoring the quality of work and adherence to confidentiality and competence standards, even from a distance. Another consideration is the unauthorized practice of law. Remote work can raise questions about jurisdiction and licensing. Lawyers need to be aware of the rules governing the unauthorized practice of law to avoid potential disciplinary actions. Integrity and fairness during remote proceedings are crucial. Lawyers should uphold honesty and civility in all interactions. They should avoid exploiting technological errors or using off-camera opportunities to coach clients improperly. Transparency about who is present during remote hearings is also essential. Lastly, diligence and professionalism must be maintained. Despite the informal nature of remote work, lawyers need to manage distractions and maintain appropriate work habits. It is vital that remote work does not compromise the quality or timeliness of legal services. From a law school perspective, understanding these ethical considerations is vital for preparing future lawyers. As remote work opportunities become more common in the legal job market, law students should be trained in responsible technology use, client communication, and ethical decision-making in virtual environments. Law firms adopting remote work should also develop clear policies and training programs to address these ethical duties, ensuring compliance and maintaining client trust.